boys. Hold on, boy. You can't. Poor soul.
Holy shit. Look at the sea water flowing down the main road, look.
The Atlantic hurricane season got a rude awakening this week as Hurricane Beryl slammed into the Caribbean islands, making landfall on Carriacou Island in Grenada as a powerful Category 4 storm. Packing sustained winds of 150 miles per hour, Beryl unleashed its fury, bringing catastrophic winds, storm surges, and devastating waves. The storm's impact was immediate and widespread. Grenadines, Grenada, Barbados, and Tobago felt the brunt of Beryl's wrath. Power lines snapped, plunging entire neighborhoods into darkness. Streets became raging rivers as heavy rain flooded low-lying areas. Storm surges, a terrifying wall of ocean water pushed by the hurricane, threatened coastal communities. Forecasters warned of surges reaching up to 9 feet above normal tide levels, a life-threatening situation. The powerful waves weren't just a danger to property, they created treacherous rip currents and posed a serious risk to small vessels and fishermen. Beryl wasn't just a bully at sea, it wreaked havoc on land too. Buildings, particularly those in vulnerable coastal areas, sustained significant structural damage.
Whoa. Whoa.
Flash flooding became another major concern, especially in parts of the Windward Islands and Barbados. With homes rendered uninhabitable and power lines down, thousands were left displaced. Emergency shelters sprung up across the region, offering a safe haven for those who lost their homes. Transportation also came to a standstill with road closures and widespread flight cancellations. The agricultural sector took a big hit as well. Crops were destroyed and livestock perished in the storm's fury. The full extent of the damage is still being assessed, but it's clear that Beryl's impact will be felt for some time to come. Thankfully, relief efforts kicked in immediately. Local authorities and international aid organizations are mobilizing to assist affected communities. Recovery efforts are already underway, but it will be a long road ahead for these Caribbean islands. One thing is clear, Beryl's early arrival and ferocious intensity serve as a stark reminder of the changing climate. The warm ocean waters, a consequence of global warming, fueled Beryl's rapid intensification. This is a wake-up call. We must be prepared for a new normal in the hurricane season, with storms potentially arriving earlier and packing a more powerful punch.